And so if you want to buy mismanaged properties, then you are going to have to get very, very good at raising money, right? Now, typically in the commercial real estate world, you need to be very good at raising money anyways. But if you want to buy a mismanaged facility, then you have to get really good at raising money. And also, for mismanaged facility, for income producing properties, I mean, you still have to raise the money. And when I say raise the money, I mean, going and talking to the bank, that's raising the money, right? Raising money doesn't have to be like just private money. It could be also bank loans. Okay. So, but you've got to get really good at talking to lenders and just being open to, asking people for money. And, I've just gotten over the last 10 years, I've gotten over the fear of doing that. Now, mismanaged facilities, what I love about buying mismanaged facilities is that most of the time, I can like 3x my money. Right. So I'll buy something, I could buy something for, a couple $100,000. And then in 2 years, it's worth, triple that amount of money. Okay. So that's why I love mismanaged facilities. You can typically do the same thing with a new construction, right? So I put this down here, new construction. There's another way to invest in self-storage. Okay, these are the three most popular ways, okay, to invest in self-storage. Now with new construction, you can also go to SBA and get a loan. SBA loves new construction loans, just as long as the facility that you're buying already is producing income and the market calls for a value add of adding new units. Right, or something like this, right? Or the market calls for new construction. They love doing new construction loans. So, and the reason I bring up SBA is because SBA, typically the requirement for a down payment on an SBA loan is anywhere from 10 to 20%, depending on how good the deal is. That's really how commercial lenders look at their deals. It's called asset-based lending. Asset-based lending. So they are looking at the asset to see how good of a deal it is. If it's a home run and you picked up like a kicker, right, then they could ask for 10% down and give you a great interest rate and give you a 20-year loan. But if it's like an okay loan, then if it's an okay deal where they know you're going to be able to pay the mortgage and make a little money, then they may ask for 20% down and only give you a 10-year loan with a little bit higher interest rate. So really with asset-based lending, there's no, you can't say what's the terms of this loan, because it's really kind of just depends on the asset and how much that asset is valued by the bank, by the lender, by SBA. Okay. So mismanaged facilities, you have to learn how to raise private money. Right, you have to learn how to talk to other people because if that facility is 50% full or less, right, then it's essentially no bank is going to be lending you the money. No bank is going to give you the money. So you got to get out there and you got to pitch your deals and see if anybody wants to give you the money. And so I have right now 3 storage facilities. I have 4 storage facilities under contract. One of them I already have the money for. 3 of them, one of them I think I have the money for. So we have 2 left. All of the ones that I have are all mismanaged facilities. Okay.